Okay, hello guys. Today we are going to unbox a very good flashlight. It's Convoy L6. Okay, let's open it. Oh, it uses shoes box to ship good. Let's see the flashlight itself. Wow, okay. The sealer wrap this package so well. Yeah. Okay. The L6. Dun, dun, dun. Wow. Okay, so this tactical ring. Yeah, you don't have to really put this into it unless you have to use it. Okay, flashlight itself. Oh, look at this. It's a very decent flashlight. Not very heavy. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, the chip is XHP70.2, and this could provide 4300 lumens. Yeah, pretty decent. Okay. So let's put some battery in it. Wow, nice feeling. Yeah. Okay. And you have to use 2650 battery or 18650. And use 2 battery. Alright. So this is my another flashlight. Yep. Okay, put this this side. Right. Screw this. Oh, so bright, oh my god. My eyes feel uncomfortable when I see the light on the desk. Oh my god. Oh, holy. Yeah, so it's the unboxing. Later I will do the test video.